Do you ever wish you could make Monday's blowout last all week? Here's a series of simple ideas to make your blowout last through the weekend. This tutorial is all about second, third, or even fourth day hair. I'm using our Shampure Dry Shampoo. Section your hair and then spray Shampure Dry Shampoo to any sections that might seem oily or flat. Our dry shampoo is amazing. It soaks up oil and it adds volume to the hair to make your blowout last for days, maybe even weeks. The next step is just sectioning your hair into two sections, a bottom section and a top section. Using a 1-inch curling iron, hold the hair out horizontally and the curling iron vertical, and rotating the iron away from your face. Repeat these steps through every section of hair. The next step is to spray Aveda's Texture Tonic to the completed curl look for a more lived-in curl. Shake the hair, lift it up, get some volume. And here's a final look using Aveda's Texture Tonic and Dry Shampoo to create a tousled, curled look. Another way to extend your blowout is to do a half up, half down look. Here, I'm going to take the front section and twist it back away from my face. I'm going to use a bobby pin in the middle of the hair strand, twist, tuck, and pin. I'm going to do this on both sides of my hair until I achieve the look desired. This half up, half down look is great for dirty hair and extending your blow dry, making life simpler. You could stop here to achieve the half up, half down look, or you can continue with the twist, tuck, and pin look to achieve a full updo. This simple updo is a great look for any type of special occasion. Finish the look with Aveda's air control for a soft hold. I hope you enjoy these looks and learn to extend your blow dry from Monday to Sunday with the help of Aveda's amazing products, Dry Shampoo and Texture Tonic Spray.